Hi there, students. Daffy, Daffy, an adjective. Daffily, an adverb, and Daffiness, the noun. Okay, one of my favourite Looney Tunes cartoon characters was always Daffy Duck. So have you ever wondered why he was called Daffy Duck? Well, Daffy is a bit strange, he's a bit unusual, and quite often he's rather funny as well. It's something that's absurd and a bit wacky. Yeah, so Daffy, yeah, it's something that it's a bit mad, a bit crazy, but very often it's quite funny as well. Yeah, so mildly eccentric. Yeah, he was wearing another of his Daffy costumes with a pink suit and a day-glow yellow shirt. Yeah, it's sort of crazy, weird. He was acting rather daffily. I think he was trying to get everybody's attention. Yeah. So if you use this word daffy, you are actually being positive about someone. You're saying they're a bit crazy, but they're actually quite funny. Yeah, it's attractive, it's nice. So Daffy Duck, he's crazy, but people like him. Yeah. And I think that's the idea. It's just a bit mad. Somebody who's a bit crazy or a bit wacky. They're rather nutty. So he had some really daffy ideas about things we could do, and yeah, they were fun to do. They were a bit strange. Yeah, so something that's a little bit irrational. Yeah, a bit mental. Yeah, not really all there, but in a good way, in a positive way. Come on, don't be so daffy. Be serious. Yeah, be serious and try and do it the way that I recommended you should do it. So yeah, a bit crackpot, a bit nuts, a bit wacko. Yeah, you can even use the phrase Looney Tunes. Yeah, for somebody who's daffy. He on stage he normally acts this daffy character. Mr. Bean is pretty daffy. He does some pretty crazy things, but he's quite funny as well. Okay, so daffy, I think a lot of humour is based on people doing rather daffy things. They're a bit strange. But well, that's the way he is, and it's something that works. Okay, so daffy. Formality. I think I would give this 3.5, 4 in formality. Use in an informal conversation. I'm going to give it a 4. Informal conversation, semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, probably not. And then as to origin, this actually comes from the word daff, yeah, which comes from the Old Norse word daufr, meaning deaf or stupid. I'm sorry about that. Unfortunately, for many years, they've associated deaf and stupid, which is obviously not logical. This comes from Proto-Germanic daubaz, deaf or stunned, dong, from Proto-Indo-European dweb, something that's obscure or hidden by smoke. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Daffy. That's all, folks.